Hi, I'm Tom Lydon, editor of ETF Trends here in Denver at the Charles Schwab Impact Conference. And it's a pleasure to have Neesha Hathi with me. Neesha, pleasure to have you. And you're the Senior Vice President of Technology for Advisors at Charles Schwab.
That's right. Thanks
for having me. It's an exciting job.
Yeah, well, it's a fun time to be in technology, and it's a fun time to be working with RIAs.
Well, just say I'm a new RIA and I'm coming to Charles Schwab for the first time, and I'm advising my clients and I'm using ETFs. What are some of the tools that you have available for me when I'm just getting started?
Well, you know, it's funny, when I talk to clients who started in the industry years ago, they had to put everything together themselves, right? They had to kind of figure this out and figure that out. There weren't all these purpose-built platforms for them, and now we have so much, actually. And one of the value adds that we try to bring is helping them navigate all these different solutions, right? Because there's a ton of solutions, whether they're provided by Schwab or all the third parties that have cropped up in this space providing great solutions. So,
and we have to, as advisors, you know, spend time with clients. We have to go out and raise money. We have to manage portfolios.
Yeah.
So those tools, we have to be careful about the tools that we choose, and you work with the advisors to help them choose the right tools for them. Is that right?
That's right, that's right. And for some advisors, right, they're depending on their business model. So they're using ETFs and maybe they have, you know, a financial planning kind of model and they want to get more holistic. Some of them are really kind of thinking about, well, I want to serve younger generations. I want to scale this model and make it very, you know, low cost and push information out to clients. And based on the segments they're trying to serve, their business model, we have different solutions that we can navigate them towards.
Right. Well, we also know in the change and the evolution that we've seen in the financial advisor business, especially with pricing pressure, commission changes and that type of thing, we've got a lot of advisors that are on the other side of the tracks that are finding religion and understanding that fee only is the way to go.
Yep.
I need to move over to a custody platform like Schwab. So you've got the ability to embrace them and provide all the technology they need if they might be bringing, you know, not $50 million, but $20 billion.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah, and that's part of the idea, right? One of the things we started doing a couple years ago is we actually created a turnkey platform. So what we've done for years is we've had open architecture, and so you could choose portfolio management system, you could choose a CRM system, you could put it all together, and we have capabilities to integrate those systems together. But what we started doing a couple years ago is actually also offering a bundled package, because for some advisors, they don't want to deal with it, they want to serve their clients, and so we have a bundled offering that allows them to have a CRM system, a portfolio management system, a document management system. It's all integrated, you know, they can trade through it, right? It's really about having this kind of holistic experience in desktop that might feel much more similar to the model that they came from, so they don't have to piece it all together.
Interesting. Okay. You've been at Schwab long enough to remember when ETFs were the redheaded stepchild. Okay? Now a lot of advisors are using ETFs. What are some of the things that you've seen that, from a technology tool standpoint, that have helped advisors manage ETF type portfolios?
Well, I think having a really solid kind of foundation. And when we think about foundation, having a really solid portfolio management system, you know, if they're using model portfolios, having that systematically managed. You know, for years, advisors managed a lot of these on spreadsheets and trying to do rebalancing, and you know, we're starting to see migration towards, okay, I have my portfolio management system, I'm working with models, I have a rebalancing system that's automated, you know, I don't have to worry about the compliance, you know, I've got it all nailed down, that foundation. Once they have that, then it's a lot easier for them to worry about spending time with clients, and that's where we really focus on helping them think about client-facing tools, like the CRM system, for example.
Absolutely. Neesha, it's great seeing you again. Thank you for spending time with me.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thanks for having me.